Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Bienvenidos to the JAD ROCH Index. Today we're riding the waves, trading the trends, and checking if that price jump is real or just showing off.
That price just jumped 10%. Impressive, or is the chart being dramatic?
Check the volume before applauding. A 10% jump looks exciting, but before we throw confetti, let's see how many people actually showed up to the party. Trading volume is the amount of an asset traded during a specific period, such as 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day.
So price tells us what people paid, while volume tells us how busy the marketplace was?
Exactly. So yes, volume is how much got traded. In other words, not just who entered the market, but who actually brought snacks. Each volume bar represents trading activity during its matching price candle. A taller bar means more activity, not automatically more buying. Now we read the bars. Tall bar, more activity. It does not mean everyone suddenly became a genius. Let's stay calm.
If price rises while volume expands, more traders are participating in the move.
That can make the move more noteworthy. Rising price with rising volume? That move has backup. Rising price with sleepy volume? That move may be walking on flip-flops. A sharp move on unusually low volume may be easier to reverse because fewer trades help create it.
Big move, small audience.
Big move, small audience. Classic crypto behavior. Sometimes the chart acts like a superstar even when the stadium is half empty.
So high volume guarantees the trend continues?
No. Volume shows participation, not direction, quality, or certainty. And now for my favorite part, common mistakes. Because in trading, confidence is free, but accuracy still charges beach club prices. Compare volume with its recent average, price structure, and risk, not in isolation.
Price shows the move, volume shows the crowd behind it.
It's the lesson. Price shows the move, volume shows the crowd behind it. So before you trust a dramatic chart, check if it's a real wave or just market splash with good lighting.